So in example number 4, you have a couple easy graphs, and then you have a y is greater than absolute value of x. So let's go ahead and do the more challenging one first. Let's go ahead, draw this graph. Okay, so can you go ahead and draw it in your graphing area? What is y greater than absolute value of x? Okay, on your paper. Do you still remember what it looks like? What does it resemble? Absolute value graph? Yes, a V shape, right? So, so it's greater than or equal to, so you can go ahead and use a solid line. And you can bet that I'm going to give you a more advanced absolute value graph to make sure that you are really good with the absolute value function. And since y is greater than absolute value of x, so guess what? We are going, do we shade inside or outside the V? If it's greater, inside, right? So I'm going to shade it this way because I'm going to have a horizontal line and vertical line. So I'm looking ahead right there. And then we have x is less than 2. So less than or equal to 2, sorry. So less than or equal to 2. So I'm going to do this. And yes, it will be a pretty messy diagram. So try to make it as clean as possible. And then y is greater than 3, just greater, not equal to. So greater than 3. Right there. And then it is greater than 3. So what you have here as your final product is like a little trapezoid like this. Okay. So it must be overlapped by 3 regions together. That would be our solution, which contains the points that would make all 3 of the inequalities here perfectly true. Okay, so